Hello devotees, welcome to Tirumala Tirupati Info by KHM channel. Welcome to the detailed guide on Virtual Arjitha Sevas at Tirumala. In this video, we will walk you through everything you need to know about participating in these Sevas online, booking darshan and even reserving accommodation. If you find this video useful, don't forget to share it with your friends, family, neighbors and colleagues and subscribe to Tirumala Tirupati Info by KHM channel for more informative updates. There are 4 types of Virtual Arjitha Sevas available through online participation referred to as Virtual Arjitha Sevas. These include Kalyanotsavam, Seva, Arjitha Brahmotsavam and Shashradeepa Alankara Seva. The major difference between the Virtual Arjitha Sevas and the Virtual Arjitha Sevas lies in the participation. When you book a Virtual Arjitha Seva ticket, you can attend the Seva in person at Tirumala, where it is performed to the Utsava idols. On the same day, you will also be allowed to have darshan of Lord Venkateshwara. However, with the Virtual Arjitha Seva ticket, you do not get to attend the Seva physically. Instead, you may optionally watch it live through SVBC TV channel or YouTube from your home. Despite not attending the Seva, you will be allowed to have darshan on the date specifically chosen for Tirupati Balaji darshan. The reporting location for Virtual Arjitha Seva darshan is at the ATC circle. Pilgrims must join the 300 rupees special entry darshan queue at the ATC circle along with other 300 rupees ticket holders. The darshan will be allowed only up to the Dwarabalakas Jayan and Vijayan. The dress code for gents is a shirt with a dhoti or a kurta with pajama. Ladies must wear either a sari or a chudidar with a dupatta. Virtual Arjitha Seva tickets are available only online and cannot be purchased offline at any location in Tirupati or Tirumala. These tickets can be booked via the TTD mobile app or the TTD official website. Tickets are released 3 months in advance. Using a single mobile number login, you can book a minimum of 1 ticket and a maximum of 2 tickets at a time. However, after booking 2 tickets, you can log out and log back in using the same mobile number to book additional tickets. This process can be repeated to book any number of tickets. You may also book tickets for the same person using their Aadhaar number for multiple days within a single month. There is no restriction on the gap between 2 darshans using Virtual Seva tickets, unlike other types of darshan tickets like Anga Pradakshanam, Special Entry Darshan or Virtual Arjitha Sevas. This is one of the unique advantages of the Virtual Seva ticket. For example, if you are visiting Tirumala for 2 days and wish to have more than 1 darshan, you can book a special entry darshan for the afternoon on one day, a Virtual Arjitha Seva for the evening of the same day, and Anga Pradakshanam or free SSD token darshan for the next day. This way, you can enjoy multiple darshans during your trip. The same mobile number login and Aadhaar number can also be used to book other darshan tickets such as VIP break darshan or 300 rupees special entry darshan or any other Tirumala Tirupati darshan tickets. Indian citizens must book Virtual Arjitha Seva tickets using their Aadhaar card, even if they also hold a passport. They must carry both the darshan ticket and either the original or a clear photocopy of the Aadhaar card while reporting for darshan. Non-resident Indians can book this ticket using their Indian passport. They must present a valid visa along with the Indian passport and darshan ticket at the time of reporting. Children below 12 years do not require a darshan ticket. However, their Aadhaar or school ID card must be carried for age verification. Children aged 12 years and above must have a valid ticket for darshan. Please note that once a ticket is booked, it cannot be cancelled or rescheduled. Seva, Arjitha Brahmotsavam and Shashradeepa Alankara Seva each cost 500 rupees per ticket, whereas Kalyanotsavam cost 1000 rupees per ticket. Since Kalyanotsavam is a couple ticket, only 1 ticket can be booked per mobile number login. Anyone can book a Kalyanotsavam ticket. It is not restricted to couples. It may be booked by 2 men, 2 women or 1 man and 1 woman. A darshan ticket is mandatory for booking TTD accommodation online. Virtual Arjitha Seva tickets can be used for this purpose. If 2 Virtual Arjitha Seva tickets are booked in the same transaction under one mobile number login at the same time, the book accommodation link will be enabled below the darshan ticket. Since Kalyanotsavam Seva is a couple ticket, even one ticket will activate the book accommodation link. For the other 3 Sevas, if only one ticket is booked, the accommodation link will not be enabled and you will not be eligible to book TTD rooms online. On the general accommodation booking day, click the book accommodation link found below your darshan ticket to book a TTD room online. Mobile phones, smartwatches and large luggage items are not allowed during darshan. These can be kept in your room or deposited at the mobile and luggage deposit counter located in the darshan queue. After darshan, you can collect them from PAC 4 located opposite to the Tirupati Balaji temple. There are plenty of signboards around the temple guiding devotees to the PAC 4 collection center. After completing darshan, you can collect one free 50 rupees laddu per person at the laddu counter by showing your darshan ticket. Additional laddus can be purchased at Rs 50 for a regular size laddu and at Rs 200 for a big size laddu. If you have booked a Kalyanotsavam ticket, you are entitled to receive a blouse piece and an upper towel and a 50 rupees laddu per person. These can be collected from counters 32 and 33 at the laddu counter building. Now let us look at the ticket booking process for Virtual Arjitha Sevas. The booking process consists of 2 phases. In the first phase, you must select a particular Seva, choose a date and complete the payment. This phase can be done a week or even a couple of days before the darshan booking opens. Note that you will not be eligible for darshan on the Seva date you select in this phase. You might wonder why a Seva and date are required if you are not physically attending the Seva. On the day the Seva is performed, a printed list containing the names of both Virtual Arjitha Seva and Virtual Arjitha Seva participants is placed at the divine feet of the Utsava idols of Lord Malayappa Swami. That's why you need to choose a specific Seva and a date. The second phase of the process is for booking your actual darshan. This must be done when the Virtual Seva booking opens. Now let's understand how to book these tickets. Open the TTD mobile app or visit the TTD website. The registration and login process is the same on both platforms. Enter your mobile number, receive the OTP and login. On the home page, click Pilgrim Services and then select the Sevas icon. From there, click on Virtual Sevas icon. A virtual queue timer page will appear. Wait until the timer reaches 0. The Virtual Arjitha Seva instructions page will appear. Please read all the instructions carefully. Once you have reviewed them, select I have read and agree to the instructions and then click Continue. This will take you to the calendar page. When the calendar opens, do not change the default temple option, which is Srivari temple. Under the Sevas option, all will be selected by default. You can keep this setting to view ticket availability for all 4 Sevas or choose one specific Seva to see its ticket availability. Choose your preferred Seva, select a date from the calendar, choose the number of tickets and click on the Decide Seva. Be careful while choosing the Seva date. Your darshan can only be booked after the selected Seva date. For example, if you choose May 4 for the Seva, darshan availability will begin from May 5th. You may also please click here to check availability of darshan to preview ticket availability. Before bookings open, all dates will appear in blue. Once bookings are live, dates will show as green, yellow or red based on ticket availability. You will then see options for additional laddus and undi offerings. These can be skipped. Click Continue to proceed. On the next page, you will see details of the Seva and a form to fill in general and pilgrim details. Be sure to enter all information accurately as it cannot be changed later. To fill the form quickly and correctly, you may use the mobile clipboard or notepad copy-paste method. After entering your details, click Continue. Review all entered information and click Continue again. The payment gateway will now open. You can choose UPI, credit card or debit card or net banking to make the payment. Once payment is successful, a transaction success page will appear. Please note that completing this phase alone does not grant darshan access. You can have darshan of Tirupati Balaji anytime within 12 months from the Seva date. At the end of the transaction, you will be asked, do you want to avail Srivari Darshan now? If you click yes, the darshan calendar will open, which is available only when the bookings go live. If you click no, you will be redirected to the booking history page where the avail darshan link will appear below your ticket. Now let's proceed to the second phase of ticket booking. On the day and time specified by TTD for darshan booking, log in using the same mobile number used in the first phase. Go to your booking history, click on your Virtual Arjitha Seva ticket and then click Avail Darshan. A virtual queue timer will appear. Once it completes, the calendar for darshan selection will open. Choose your preferred darshan date and time slot and click Continue. All your personal details will appear below this selection. Click on the Book Now button. The booking success page will appear with the download link for your darshan ticket. You can also access this ticket later from your booking history. At this point, both phases of the Virtual Arjitha Seva ticket booking process are successfully completed. Thank you for watching this complete guide on Virtual Arjitha Sevas at Tirumala. We hope this video helped you understand the process and make the most of your divine pilgrimage experience. May Lord Venkateshwara bless you with health, peace and prosperity. Don't forget to subscribe to Tirumala Tirupati Info by KHM channel and share this video with your friends, family, neighbors and colleagues so they too can benefit from this darshan. Thank you for watching and see you again in another informative video.